In the previous video, we learned what gravitational waves are and why they are so incredibly hard to detect. Now only two questions remain. What created the signal scientists finally detected? And why do gravitational waves matter at all? More than 1 billion years ago, two black holes collided. Each was about 30 times heavier than the Sun, yet smaller than a large city. They were born from massive stars that once exploded as supernovae. For millions of years, these black holes orbited each other, slowly losing energy through gravitational waves. As they moved closer, they spun faster and faster, like two people pulling each other in while spinning. In the final seconds, they were separated by just a few kilometers and rotating hundreds of times per second, close to the speed of light. During the last moment of collision, they released more energy than the Sun will produce during its entire lifetime, past and future combined. That energy spread through the universe as gravitational waves, and in 2015, after traveling for over 1 billion years, those ripples reached Earth. The timing was almost unbelievable. Just days before the official launch of upgraded detectors, the signal arrived. Only 2 detectors on opposite sides of the United States were sensitive enough to catch it. Together, they confirmed it was real. So why does this matter? Because for the first time, we didn't just see the universe. We heard it. Gravitational waves gave us a completely new way to observe reality. They provided the first direct proof that black holes truly exist. They allow us to study events that produce no light at all. And in the future, even more powerful detectors will go into space, with arms millions of kilometers long. What we learn from them may one day seem obvious, just like electricity or nuclear physics do today. Studying gravitational waves is like looking through binoculars into the future. We don't yet know what technologies they will lead to, but history tells us one thing clearly. When humanity learns to listen to the universe, everything eventually changes. And that's baby science for you.